and welcome back to my channel. This is your home-based nomad, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kim and I'm a freelancer. I vlog about travel, work from home, tutorials, unboxing, and lifestyle. If you like any of my videos, please like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to be updated of every new uploads. So for today's content, I will be unboxing my new vlogging camera, which I got from Colors Photo. As you know, I have just been using a mobile phone for my vlogs, and now that we have reached 1,000 subscribers, I decided to purchase this SONY ZV-1 camera unit that comes with a shooting grip, and I also purchased this extra battery just in case I need it. So let's go ahead and unbox these. I'm gonna open first the camera unit, and then let's take a look at the shooting grip plus the extra battery. So let's start. We have here the 64 gig, what's that, freebie. Here the items from the box, and we have here the SONY ZV-1 camera unit, which is very lightweight and small, and it also has a tilting screen. So there, it's very convenient for taking videos, pictures, and whatnot. And we also have here the tripod, which is also the shooting grip that comes with the package, but this one is the wired version. Actually, they also have the wireless one, which is a lot more convenient for me. Yeah, so there. Next is the free 64 gig SD card, which also comes with the package. And we have here the windscreen. So as they say, this is good for noise reduction. I just hope that this is effective. What else? We have here some lanyard, some camera pouch, or maybe, I'm not sure if this is for the camera or for the shooting grip, because this comes with the shooting grip. And this is the USB-C cable. So we have here the battery that comes with the unit, and I also have here the extra battery that we purchased as an a la carte with a battery case. So what else? Yes, we have here the warranty card. So in case there are issues or whatnot, we can always dispute or escalate using this warranty card. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next video. Thumbs if you like it, sub if you love it. Peace.